Hey guys, I'm going to Party City. I'm near like Costco, Party City, and this area north of Toronto. And yeah, I've never been to. They don't have these kind of shops in Italy. They don't have Party City. They don't have Baskin Robbins. It's across the street, so I need to go there later. And so let me show you around. Look at that. That one is pretty scary, I think. It's long. It could be Mario Brother. Mario Brother. Oh, I like this. It just looks like a normal winter hat to me. Hat collection. You can select your costume and order it. I think they're cute. Cute ghosts. These are just 99 cents to $2.49, these things. So good. I'm getting some of them for sure. I said it's not cute. Got makeup and jewelry all around here. These are window decals. I got one of those. I really like this. It's a choker. I love this kind of stuff. I just don't know where to wear it other than Halloween. Steampunk. Entire candy aisle as well with a lot of different kinds of candy. And they have birthday stuff, and they've got makeup and Disney themed stuff. So cute. I love the Little Mermaid. That's my favorite. I also like Frozen. Now going to Baskin Robbins. They're about $35. I got a very sweet, very caramelly flavor called Perils of Praline.